my beauty squad, guess what we have today? We have a Jeffree Star unboxing. Hooray! Yes, I said it right. I actually got my deluxe Jeffree Star box today, and y'all know I had to get it done, get it up. I'm hella stoked to show y'all all the goodies I got. I did get the deluxe, the $140 box that had 10 items in it, and should retail for like $220, something around there. I have to say, y'all want to stick around for this. This box was epic. Jeffree Star, congratulations. You've been for the last couple months because this was a really good box. So make sure you stick around and see what I got in my box, which is my favorite products I received. Do I have any of the products already? And if you're new and this is the first time you're seeing this mug, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you get notified for any and every time I upload. I try to upload often. Also, go check me out over on Instagram and in TikTok. Same is here. Makeup with Jessica Vargas. Once you see it, you can't forget it. So I will see y'all over in the video. Yeah, it's my Jeffree Star mystery box. This right here is the deluxe, and it actually came nice and neat. It came super fast too, I have to say. I've already peeked in it. Y'all know me, anticipation is not my best friend, but I have to say you would want to see what's in this. Alright, so opening her up. Nice size box. This was the deluxe again for $140. So I think it retailed for like $200, but I paid $140. And you had 3 different tiers. You got a baby one for like 65. It was 65 or 85, and it had a couple items in it. And then this was a medium tier. You got to choose your clothes size, and it was 10 items for $140. And then the super big daddy was $200 or $220. It had 15 items in it for a retail of like $400 some dollars. I really wanted a big one, but I just could not dabble into $200 worth of products, and I'll not like it. So I figured I would get the medium one just to see what it's about. I wasn't going to get one this time around. I do have a lot of Jeffree Star products, and I do enjoy my Jeffree Star products. I just don't reach for them a lot, and I don't want to waste money on products I'm not going to use or be able to put to use in. If you have majority of his palettes, it kind of beats the purpose of getting mystery boxes, because you get another palette that you already have. But again, like I said, if I have a new palette in here, I can give it to Jasmine, what have you. I just kind of sneak peeked in here. I didn't open everything up. So first things first, I'm going to show y'all the makeup products and then the extras. So this right here is the blood sugar, and it's in a red case, not the white case. I have this palette already that my beautiful friend Becca gave me. Now there's glitter on here, but I don't see nothing broken, so that's weird. I'm not going to take that off. I will figure out what I'm going to do with this. I might just give this to Jasmine. I was going to try to sell it or maybe put it in my 2K giveaway, but I still have a little way to go for my 2K. And I know a lot of people have this palette already. Like I said, I have one, so I don't need to. I am hella stoked for these next 2 items, but I'm not going to show y'all those. I'm going to show y'all the little ones. So we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub, which I'm really excited because I have no more lip scrubs. I gave all my lip scrubs to my girls, and this is in Witch's Brew. So I'm so excited to have another one. And it's in a black container. Ooh, it smells like spearmint. It tastes like licorice though. I'll have to get out of my girls. We have a velvet lip trap in the shade The Matrix. Ooh, this is a pretty shade. It's like a brown, a dark brown. This will be a pretty outside of the lip. It kind of go in with a lighter nude in the middle. And I actually have a lighter nude in the same formula, so that'd be cool to pair them together. So we have one doable shade. Then we have the shade Weirdo. This is an adorable shade. This is like black, but you can always use black lipsticks, especially if you do Halloween looks like I do. So I'm not going to complain too much. on it. And his lipsticks also could be as an eyeshadow primer, could make as a liner. That is a very black, very pigmented. I like his formula. All this, I use the white one and the blue one and the purple one I have as actual liners. I don't really put them on my lips at all. Then we have the lip gloss, 6 Feet Under. So this is from the Cremated collection. Ooh, this is a pretty shade though. Look at this. Any lip products I don't keep. I'm just going to pass them down to Jasmine or my besties. So that's what it looks like. That'd be a pretty shade over that black, to be honest. Then we have the Supreme Gloss, and this is in the shade Wifey. This would be a shade I will not use. It's just a little too dark for me. It's like a pumpkin red. Look at that dofa though. Like, what? What is up with that dofa? Wow, I've never seen a dofa like that. I was hoping for a mascara because I don't own his mascara. It would have been fun to try it, but it's okay. I'm not even going to swatch that because I'm not going to put that to use. Make sure y'all could see that. And then you got a card coming to school. Ooh. Okay, so JEFFREE STARR Skin is coming. Do y'all see this? It is a, after years of formulation testing, the skincare line you've always dreamed of is almost here. So let me know who is excited to try his skincare. I'm actually really intrigued to try it. I like JEFFREE STARR's formula. I think he always puts 100% in it in formulation, not in like his, you know, mystery boxes. This one I'm really excited about. So we got a t-shirt in the medium box. So I kind of wonder what's in the big box. But this is what I got. I got mine in extra large just because they do shrink down a little bit. I like to have it a little bit big on me because I like to lay around the house in it. But this is probably my most favorite one I have of his. It has the freaking spider. And I'm pretty sure that says something. I just can't read it. But I'm so excited. I love it. It is purple. It is black. It is all that. I'm actually rocking right now a Hottie shirt. This is Hottie Lashes.co. I want a giveaway from them. I will be posting that video shortly. But I want to get this up and about. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the bag. This bag is freaking adorable. It does not have no handles. It doesn't have nowhere to put handles or like a little keychain or anything to actually make it like a purse. So it's more or less a handbag. But look how freaking cute. It looks like bat wings. And there's nothing on the inside. No zipper or nothing. This is really thick. Nice bottom. But I would definitely be putting like my makeup in it. And that way if I really need to go somewhere or go out on a date night with Mario, I would so take this little purse. And like you can throw a whole bunch of stuff in there and it would probably fit. Everything you would need for like a little special night out. I don't ever leave my house, so. Look, it's got a line in it. It's I want to pull it. I had to do it. If I didn't do it, my kids would do it. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm super stoked. That's a lot better than the last bag we got, to be honest, to be like truthfully honest. Okay, the last two items, I'm hella stoked because I don't have neither one of these. So you have the Mini Velour Lipstick Collection. And I got it in the birthday suit. And y'all know how I love my nudes. And yes, I am so happy. I did not want any of these. And this will be the only collection that I would ever want. Because I just don't do a lot of colorful lips. I don't like my lips. I don't like my mouth. So I try to keep that muted as possible. I go for my eyes bold and bright. But look, I know you've seen this collection 1,000 times. I've never seen all of them together. So you got I'm New, Birthday Soup, Top Shelf, Christmas Cookie, Hidden Hills, Dominatrix, Family Jewels, and Tasty. So that's cool. Dominatrix. I could try in this formula and in this formula for that. And see which one is kind of better. Which one I think is better. Let's not. I get ahead of myself. And then the newest palette that he has out is actually Weirdo. I hope that's what's in here. That's what the packaging is. Like, he could have fooled me. He does package other stuff. this Weirdo. So look. There it is. It's pretty. Weirdo mini palette. And y'all, I haven't got the last couple palettes he's launched, unfortunately. Like I said, I like JEFFREE STARR. I really do. I enjoy the formula. Everything. It's just, I haven't been grabbing none of his palettes. I still got my green one over there sitting. I haven't even tried. So I didn't want to waste my money. I like dipping into these indie brands and showing some love to them. So this literally has one shimmer. This is the only shimmer in it. It is a gorgeous palette though. I'm not going to lie. I don't have a lot of dark muted palettes, so this would be fun to play with. And I like JEFFREE STARR formula. Yay. So I'm glad I got it. I'm really excited. And I love that he puts these in there. He puts the nice plastic ones in. The plastic that's worth actually keeping it up the cheap. So in my opinion, this is probably the best mystery box I've received since maybe like the first one. I only want to say I really like the first one because I didn't have none of his items, so I was able to use everything. But again, in this one, I'm able to use everything. The only thing I do have is the blush sugar, and that's one item out of 10. That's not bad at all. Again, I'm not the biggest JEFFREE STARR fan, so I don't have every single thing he has, but there was a lot of new products mixed in with some older products, so I think it was a good variation. Like, he did put his newest palette in here, he did put a couple of his newest lip products in here, and mix it in with some old ones, so, you know, you can't expect it all new, brand new. See, that's why I like his lips. Look at that lip, that black. Perfect timing too for Halloween. But, you know, you can't expect it to be 100% all brand new stuff. That's just unreasonable for a brand at all. Like, he would literally go broke trying to do that. But I think it was a good variety in this collection. So, let me know down below. What did y'all get? What did you get any? I know a lot of people skipped. I went back a couple of days after I had picked up my mystery box and just to see if they had any available, and they still have the Supremes available. They still have the deluxes and the minis. So I know like a lot of people ain't buying anymore because they're just overwhelmed with the continuous disappointments. But I have to say, he brought the game up this time, in my opinion. Like, I could be wrong because I've skipped up on a couple of his collections. So I think that's where I brought the excitement back into the mystery box, because I won't try to keep up with the Jefferson and, you know, buy each collection that he released. I really kind of just step back and just be like, okay, you know, it is what it is. I get it later on. Nothing that really stood out that I had to have right now. Again, he does a lot of sales, a lot of stuff. So I'm always trying to withhold myself from being the first ones to buy, because if you wait a while, you usually can catch it on a really good sale, and that's, to me, it's a little bit more worth it because I don't gravitate to them as much as I would love to, as much as I do with like certain other brands. So yeah, now I pick and choose which ones I like paying full price for and which ones I don't. I think everybody does to an extent. But I love y'all. Let me know down below, what was your favorite item in this box? Again, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the blush sugar. I'll probably end up giving it to Jasmine. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my new cup. It has Jessica and Mario on it. Ain't it cute? I absolutely love it. And I also have a purple cup I have to show y'all next time because I didn't even bring it in here. But it says Foolish Mortals on it. It took a long time for me to get those cups. A long time. Like over a month and a half. But they're here and I like them and I love them. I love Jeff and Sally. I think it's just the cutest little romance. And to have Mario's name on it just makes it a little bit more special to me. Absolutely adore Mario. Y'all know that. And so, yeah. I think it's cool. It's not as blinged out as my other ones I had, but this was a lot more inexpensive as well. And with the bling ones, they're nice. They're really nice. But they're really expensive. And they break down easy if you're not careful. Like my pink one, Luna shattered the bottom out of it. She dropped it and busted it, so I'm using it as a cup holder for my brushes now. I just glued the bottom lid to it because I paid a lot of money for it, so I wasn't going to just like throw it away. But yeah, I figured I'll go a little bit cheaper route, but I still love my Starbucks cups. I drink coffee constantly all day. I wake up drinking hot coffee and go to sleep drinking cold coffee. So with 9 kids, you gotta have something to function with. Coffee is my outlet. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.